Approximately 25% of heat gain and loss in your home is through the walls. Because the walls get plastered, the only time to get insulation right is while building or renovating. In Melbourne, Sydney and Adelaide, we recommend a minimum of R2.5 wall insulation. In Perth, Brisbane and northern New South Wales, we recommend a minimum of R2.0 insulation. One of the best things about the R2.5 wall bats is its density. They are approximately twice as dense as regular wall bats, making them a great acoustic product. They are also firmer, making them easier to install and helps ensure a nice snug fit. Don't forget to insulate the internal walls. It's a great way to prevent noise transfer from theatre rooms, bathrooms, toilets and bedrooms. It's a cheap and easy way to make your home a quiet haven which you can unwind in at the end of a busy day. The decision of which R value to install ultimately comes down to your budget, how much energy you want to save, and whether noise is an issue. Just remember, you don't get a second chance to insulate your walls. Once the plaster's in, it's too late.